Hello friends, glad to have you back on the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the complete steps to share your Wi-Fi password on your Poco M8 Pro. If this tutorial helps you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notification for more useful guides. Now let's begin and share your Wi-Fi password.